Chamomile, also known as Matricaria recutita or Chamomile nobile, is a widely used herb known for its medicinal, culinary, and therapeutic properties. Health benefits and medicinal properties. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments due to its rich composition of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential oils. Here are its key benefits. Sleep aid. Chamomile tea is renowned for its calming effects, often used to treat insomnia and promote restful sleep. It contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to receptors in the brain to reduce anxiety and initiate sleep. Skin health. Chamomile helps treat skin conditions like eczema, dermatitis, and psoriasis when applied topically or consumed orally. It promotes collagen production, aids in healing wounds, and helps reduce scars. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe burns, rashes, and acne. Digestive support. Chamomile relaxes gastrointestinal muscles, alleviating symptoms of indigestion, bloating, gas, colic, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. It can also reduce nausea and stomach cramps. Immune system boost. Regular consumption of chamomile tea increases levels of hippurate, a compound that boosts immunity and helps fight infections like colds. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chamomile inhibits the release of prostaglandins, inflammatory compounds, making it effective in reducing pain and inflammation. Anxiety and stress relief. Chamomile extract has been shown to reduce symptoms of mild to moderate anxiety and depression in clinical studies. Antioxidant properties. Rich in flavonoids like apigenin and quercetin, chamomile combats free radicals that contribute to aging and chronic diseases like cancer. Cultivation. Chamomile is easy to grow in gardens or containers and thrives in most climates with proper care. Planting. Sow seeds indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost or directly outdoors after the danger of frost has passed. Soil requirements. Prefers well-drained sandy loam enriched with organic matter. Light. Requires full sun but tolerates partial shade in hotter climates. Spacing. Space plants 8 to 12 inches apart for good airflow. Growing tips. Seeds require light to germinate. Press them lightly into the soil without covering them. Water regularly, but avoid overwatering. Chamomile prefers moist, but not soggy soil. Mulch around plants to retain moisture and prevent weeds. Harvesting. Harvest flowers when they are fully open by snipping them at the base. Dry flowers by spreading them in a single layer on a screen in a ventilated area out of direct sunlight. Chamomile self-seeds readily. Allow some flowers to mature if you want it to reseed naturally. Culinary applications. Chamomile's floral flavor lends itself to both sweet and savory dishes, as well as beverages. Beverages. Chamomile tea is the most popular used. Just steep dried flowers in hot water for a calming drink. Infuse chamomile into milk or cream for lattes or desserts like custards. Savory dishes. Add chamomile flowers to broths, soups, or stews. Use it as an infusion for sauces like lemon cream sauce for pasta. Pair chamomile with proteins, like chicken roasted with leeks or seafood like scallops poached in chamomile tea. Sweet dishes. Infuse chamomile into syrups for desserts like pancakes or ice cream. Incorporate chamomile into porridge or granola for a floral twist. Use dried flowers in baking recipes such as muffins, cakes, or breakfast bread like chamomile lemon poppy seed bread. Here's a recipe for chamomile lemon poppy seed bread that combines the bright flavors of lemon with the subtle floral notes of chamomile. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons poppy seeds, half a teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon chamomile tea for extra flavor, 2/3 cup granulated sugar, 1½ tablespoon lemon zest, a 1/4 cup unsalted butter, softened, 2 tablespoons vegetable, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon almond extract. Instructions. Set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line an 8 by 4-inch loaf pan with parchment paper. Whisk together flour, poppy seeds, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a medium bowl. In a large bowl, mix sugar and lemon zest with your fingers until fragrant. Add softened butter and oil. Beat until pale and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, whisking well after each addition. Whisk in lemon juice. Alternate mixing a third of the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and fold until just combined. Add half of the yogurt mixture, fold gently, then repeat with the remaining ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon chamomile tea for extra flavor. Mix until combined. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and bake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Chamomile syrup. Simmer chamomile tea and sugar until the sugar dissolves. Let cool slightly. For a stronger chamomile flavor, use more tea or let it steep overnight. Let the loaf cool for 10 minutes, then brush with chamomile syrup. Poke holes in the top for better absorption if desired. Enjoy warm or store in an airtight container at room temperature. Chamomile is generally safe for most people, but it's important to be cautious depending on your situation. If you have allergies, especially to plants like ragweed, daisies, or marigolds, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications, you should be extra careful. It's always a good idea to check with your healthcare provider before using chamomile medicinally, especially if you plan to use it regularly or for a long time.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.